Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making the circuit safe. Power off, remove batteries, and unplug. Next, set your digital multimeter to continuity or the lowest ohms range. Make sure the probes and leads are intact. Damaged leads give false readings. Once done, touch the probe tips together to verify the meter beeps or shows near 0 ohms. This confirms the meter and probes are functional. This quick check saves time and prevents misdiagnosis when you start probing the actual circuit. You now isolate the component or trace to avoid parallel continuity misleading you. With the circuit unpowered, place the red probe on one terminal and the black on the other, holding them steady so contact is reliable. Listen for the beep. That indicates low resistance and a closed path. If no beep and the meter shows high or infinite ohms, the path is open. Also read the numeric resistance. Low ohms means continuity, while high values or OL mean a break or very high resistance. You finish by confirming readings, documenting values, and then reassembling the device only after verification. If results are ambiguous, make sure to disconnect one end of the component and retest to eliminate parallel paths. Once satisfied, restore power and check operation. If you still see unexpected results, consider that parallel components, solder bridges, or charged capacitors can give false continuity. In that case, remove or isolate the suspect part and test again. This method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.